BMC, NBA.
Well, it's been 3 long years, and I can't believe that you're willing to up and just walk out this relationship. It's been so many tears. Baby, please don't leave me. Baby, please don't leave me, no. But it's okay, cause you're alright, and I love you, but I don't like how you be acting like your homegirls, baby.
So I can honestly say that the feeling's mutual, and I love you, and I know you love me, and I just don't want to lose you.